Hi friends, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel. You will find me in this new look today, no makeup, messy bun and simple ghar ke kapde wala look. And that is because I've decided to make vlogs on my YouTube channel, my daily routine vlogs. Those who follow me on Instagram, on Matt and Laddle, that's my page, will know that I recently took a poll whether I should do vlogs on my YouTube channel or not, and maximum of the people voted for yes, I should do daily vlogs on my YouTube channel. I will share a screenshot of that here, you may have a look. So which is why I decided that I should give it a try on doing daily vlogs, on uploading daily vlogs. But to be very honest, the whole of last evening and last night I kept thinking, but what will I do in my daily vlogs? What will I say? What will I share? And then I decided that I can't tell anything, I can't think of anything, I can't script anything, because vlogs cannot be scripted. I mean, you have to show, you have to be natural, you have to show what you're doing in your day-to-day life and what is happening in your life, who you are as a person. So I thought, yes, I should give it a try, there's no harm in trying. And will I do this on a regular basis? Will this channel be a vlogging channel? I really don't know that. You people will decide, my subscribers will decide whether this will be a vlogging channel or just a recipe or the store tours or food review that I have been doing so far. So you people will decide whether I should make this a vlogging channel or not. So if you like my videos, if you like my vlogs that I've decided to upload for the next few days, keep commenting, keep liking, keep sharing, and keep watching it completely till the end, so that I will know that people are loving my vlogs, people are liking my work, and then I will decide what to do in my future videos. So I will show you what is there in today's vlog. My dinner is a little special today. I have got an invite from a hotel. Which hotel I will let you know later, so stay tuned. I've got an invite from a hotel and they've invited me to make my birthday special for me and my family. I will take you through the entire experience that I've had, which is the hotel and what are we doing on my birthday, etc. So stay tuned. So that's me enjoying my evening chai with some snacks. I'm just eating some murk, which I really like. Yeah, done with my chai and everything, and now I'm going to go quickly wash my hair and get ready for dinner. See you soon. We are actually running late because it is 6:40 now, and I gave them time that I'll be there around 7:30. So I'm running late. I've just washed my hair and I'll quickly get ready and I'll see you soon, maybe in the car or once I reach there. Yeah, so I'm finally ready and we are running late, so I'm quickly leaving and see you guys at the hotel. Oh yeah, I'll show you what I'm wearing. Just a second. So this is what I'm wearing, and can you see my matching footwears? Just kidding, by the way. These are my daily wear footwear that I wear at home. I'm going to change them. So guys, see you soon at the hotel. So here I changed my footwears, and these were the one which were matching with my dress. Mama, okay, yeah, let's go. So basically the person who was in charge of this, who had invited me, is going to come and visit us now. She's going to pick us from the lobby. She's asked us to wait, so I'm just waiting, and I just loved this section. It's such beautiful flowers. Oh my god. to give me flowers.
From their
I
side.
love flowers.
They were lucky.
Happy birthday.
And he never gives me. So thank you so much, Lucia. This means so much to me. Thank
Just one
you.
photo.
Oh, sure. We just loved the ambience and the view. It was lovely, and that's the OMR view for you all. I just couldn't resist admiring these beauties. I just love flowers, and this was such a sweet gesture. So here I have the chief chef Anand and his assistant chef Tamil to greet us, and also to know if we have any specifications or any food restrictions. Yes, friends, they made me feel so special. Not just me, even my family too. They greeted me with flowers, and they decorated the place with candles and flowers, and they booked this cabana for us in the restaurant, in the rooftop restaurant, and they're feeling so good. They literally made my day. So yeah, I see you soon, and this is the welcome drink given to us rather. So let me enjoy this, and I will see you soon. Sorry, roasted pumpkin soup. Okay.
I don't think I like pumpkin.
You'll like it. It'll taste just like the pumpkin seeds that we eat, Pari. Move. Oh God, that was scary. My goodness. Oh my God, that was quite a fun adventure. It started pouring and it was super windy, and which is why we were asked to move inside the restaurant. Okay, start.
Oh my goodness. No, you tell me how to do it.
हाँ, just देख तो केक खा
अरे तू हाथ जलाएगी।
पहले वही जला के और पकड़ के रख उसको बस।
अरे ये हाथ जला लेगी विपुल अपना।
I was doing the same thing.
See, even Vipul doesn't know how to use a lighter.
हाथ चल रहा था उसमें।
The thing is, we don't know how to use a lighter.
नहीं वो हवा ऊपर की तरफ आ रहा है.
Oh, अच्छा.
Match box.
Oh, nice.
Mama, it's yours. Make a wish, Mama. Happy birthday.
The food, the cabana, the decor inside, the flowers, the cake, the special cake, and the service by Neetu and other support staff is so overwhelming. I'm so touched with their service, and the overall experience they gave me of this special day will be unforgettable. Thank you so much, Surya and the entire team. After the celebration, it's time to go home, and we are on our way back with some wonderful memories. So yes, friends, I am back home, and it's 11:35 now, and I'm super tired. Not just me, both the children and Vipul, all of us are very, very tired. But we had a great time. We had a lovely experience, and my birthday was done the right way. I thank Turya Hotel, the entire team, staff, the support staff. They were excellent at the service, and the food was very delicious. I will mention in the description box the highly recommended dishes that I really liked a lot, and I thank them from the bottom of my heart to make my birthday so special for me and for my family. Definitely a memorable day, and birthday done so well. So right, and yeah, that's all for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching my vlog, and do let me know in the comment section on the ways I should improve in making my vlogs, because I don't know the right way. As I said, this is the first time I'm doing it. This is my first vlog. I need to learn a lot. I need to improve a lot. So please feel free to give your suggestions in the description, in the comment section below, and also follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon, because only if you click that, YouTube will notify you for all my upcoming videos. And I will come up with vlogs every day. I will fix a time, maybe around between 5 to 6 p.m. every day. I will upload vlogs, and I am going to see how well do you respond to it. As I said, you people will decide, my subscribers will decide whether I should continue making vlogs or I should go back to my previous mode of uploading videos, that is recipes, store tour, food recommendations, etc. So please support and let me know what do you want to see next. For the next few days I am going to upload vlogs to see the response on my channel. So yeah, stay tuned. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Good night. So yes, all I will do is I will change, remove my makeup, and wear my free loungewear, my nightie maybe, because I'm the most comfortable in that. And we'll go to sleep. We'll finish some of my Insta work and I'll go to sleep. Tomorrow I will sit and edit this vlog, and I will post it in the evening, and also prepare all the picture, consolidate all the pictures which I need to post on my Instagram for the Turiya collaboration. Yeah, that's it for this vlog, and stay tuned until next time. See you. Bye bye.